Hi, I'm Angie. May I ask you a question? Would you like to receive unlimited $10 commissions all through the year? Would you like to receive those commissions with a product that never goes out of style, in other words, an evergreen product? If you answered yes to these questions, I'd like to tell about the benefits of AllInOneProfits.com. AllInOneProfits.com is a 7-year-old established company with an excellent track record. They offer low-cost web hosting plus a large assortment of related marketing tools, such as unlimited autoresponders, splash pages, a tracking system and many other tools that everyone needs to operate a business online. But wait, there's more. For a limited time, Bob Grohl is offering to create a personalized video for you, similar to this one, when you enroll under his affiliate link. This is a picture of Bob. People are more inclined to enroll once they watch a video because video is more personal. Bob can even include your photo. As you may or may not know, a personalized video could set you back about $100 or more these days. So when you consider that, this is a great offer that's hard to resist. The price is so low that it beats the other web hosting companies in terms of price and the benefits you receive. Based on all of this, I encourage you to fill in your details and learn more about AllInOneProfits.com. But I have to warn you. This offer of a free promo video is limited to the first 20 people who enroll under Bob's affiliate link. Just 20 people, so why not get started today? Thanks for watching and have a great day.